There we go. Yes. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the live day trading room here. So we always get started a few minutes before the open, which is where we are. So we're already behind our screens. We're ready to rock and roll. I'm going to go over a couple of my setups here that I wanted to show you guys. So number one, what we're looking at here, this is Oracle, guys. One of my key targets today. We had a big drop, or we've seen a massive drop. I'm going to look for an entry below 195. If it dumps out here, right now we're trading at around 170, 197.78 pre-market. If we drop below 195, I'm going to do a 1/6 position long. This is based on $1 million portfolio, so 1/6 of my $1 million is going to go into Oracle, and I'll add about every dollar lower. I'm actually going to eye Oracle a little bit higher here, guys. I want to get some skin in the game. I'm going to move to a 1/7 position below 196 if we get below 196 here. I'm lowering it because I want to give myself a little bit more maneuverability. It's bouncing to 197. Come on, come back in. Nothing on Oracle, guys, or MicroStrategy for me.
So just a heads up, this is GOOGL, not GOOG. GOOGL.
Guys, on Oracle, I'm still interested, but a 1/7 below 196.
This is
Guys, I did get filled on that flush below 196 on Oracle, so I am long a 1/7, 195.85, 195.85 long Oracle. Target on Oracle, guys, is going to be $200. Appears to 200. That may be subject to change. Right now, especially with a 1/7, I like to let those run further because they're smaller position sizes. I'll be looking to add to Oracle a 1/7 every $1.50 to $2. So about between $1.50 to $2, I'll be looking to add another 1/7. Oracle and MicroStrategies came close to my ads. They did not give me the fill, folks. So again, that's fine. I'll be patient.
a little bit of a variation right there. It's fine.
All right, good bounce on MSTR and Oracle, guys. Let's see if we can start chugging higher here. Oracle pulling back, guys. I'll let you know if it gets down to fill me on my next 1/7. It's just a matter of people,
at key levels.
Guessing. If you're guessing at the levels, then yeah, of course, don't try because you have no clue. But if you learn the charts, if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
Love it.
That's what they say.
Good bounce on Oracle, guys. And the reason nothing shows up in closed positions yet, because he still has the core position open. Once it's all closed out, then the P&L shows up. Okay. Good push on Oracle, guys. Oracle's pushing here. 200 Pierce is my target. We go. Oracle's getting close to target. Oracle's such a beaten down shot. Oracle got to 199.75. Again, I have my order to exit above 200. There should be a wall there, but if it punctures it, we should get a nice pop, and then I want to sell into that volume. Oh, yeah, versus hiding your orders. Yeah, I mean, listen, if you're doing like $10 million, it's good to hide your order, but if, trading on $1 million portfolio doing, a 1/5 or a 1/6, you're not going to royal the bump the apple cart or whatever. All right, here we go on Oracle. Come on, punch through. Let's go. It wants it. It wants it. So beaten down chart. And I'm out, guys. 200.27, 200.27 on Oracle. I am out of Oracle. $200.27. Boom.
Nice trade.
Thank you, man.
Beauty.
That is great. Wow. In other words, we like to have fun at the same time, but our primary goal is for members. We want to deliver gains, right? Profits. And then fun and entertainment comes secondary.
Sure. Trades by all means, most important. But man, hey, trades can be stressful, so it's important to have that little bit of humor inserted in there. Yep.
And Oracle's just going nuts. Wow.
And so
now, some people would say like this is sometimes occasionally we'll do a trailing stop. I didn't want to do it because I wanted to just book a gain and like get off on the right foot today. But in this situation, you could always do a couple $1 trailing stop on Oracle. That's just another option for us as traders. Yeah, and I think another aspect too is a lot of people say let's say I entered my 1/10 on MicroStrategies or my 1/7 on Oracle, and the question is like, well, he didn't tell us a stop. Well, number one, I don't even have my full position yet. Right. So every time we enter trades, folks, and this is a big difference between most traders and successful traders like us, is that we go in assuming it's going to go against us. And so, if we went all in full position, we'd have to have a stop right away. But because we're accumulating, there's no even thought of the stop yet. All we're trying to do is figure out, okay, how are we going to get this bounce? Now, maybe sometimes we get it right out of the gates, the easy button. Other times we have to maneuver, right? And so you see the differences. MicroStrategies was a little bit more of a maneuver for me. Oracle did go against me, never gave me my next entry, but then went right to target. Boom.
Look at that move. 70% drop. Wow. Yeah, I guess they took the AI out of their genes. They, I don't know. Maybe they need Sydney Sweeney to get into their genes. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway,
Or probably would help.
Svetlin saying, would I re-enter Oracle? So Oracle's having a great pullback here. As of now, I'm not planning on it, but there's always a level, right? So if you're really aggressive, you actually could buy it right here. There's this former pivot. Look at that, right into this area. You probably get a quick bounce. For me, looking for like a multiple dollar gain, it would have to come lower. Probably I would do like a 618 of this move, or even a 786 of this reversal move. But yeah, I mean, it definitely, every stock is on the radar, but we only want to trade the best of the best, right? And that's how we keep our win rate and our kind of our stress down, frankly. I mean, we all end up fighting positions. We all have losers. Heck, I've had some big losers this year, but overall, I've made a lot of money because it's the consistency, right? You can afford to have a loser here and there, and even a big loser, as long as the consistency is there to be making money on the other trades, a majority of the trades. But again, the key is just taking the best of the best, so that stress is a little bit on the lower end. What a move, though! Wow. See the bounce on Oracle right there? Again, just a small bounce there, but that's just a more aggressive trade. Just noticing this consolidation high pivot on Friday, the breakout retrace to the scene of the crime, that should start heading back up. Again, this time of day wasn't worth it for me, but yeah, so it's just like, I think about this. You want to be a brain surgeon, brain surgeon. I would never choose to be a brain surgeon because it's a lot of stress. I'd much rather sit in my pajamas and trade and make more money than a brain surgeon. But think about all the schooling that they have to go through to be able to do that. That's what essentially all of us have to go through for the markets. Now you can take the route that I took. My route. Let's see, what was my route? My route was, I have no clue what the hell I'm doing, and so let me just try and make the markets teach me hard lessons continually for a few years. That was my route. It was a tough route. I lost a lot of money. Thank goodness I didn't have a lot of money when I first started. My learning curve, it was literally years, versus with the proper education, you cut that learning curve down and it costs so much less. Um, versus, I mean, think about just the opportunity cost of, when I took, let's say, 3 to 5 years to learn how to be even a neutral to slightly profitable trader. What if I had learned that in 2 years? How much money could I have made and compounded for those additional 3 years, right? I mean, it's night and day. It really is. Let's take a look at Oracle here again. Yeah, Oracle's just kind of chopping here and nothing going on. You can see Oracle volatility's kind of dried up as well.